Are you still spending hours trying to find t-shirt niches that aren't completely saturated, only to end up with designs that get zero sales or worse? Downloading some random niche list off the internet and realizing 10,000 other people are already uploading the same exact stuff. Let's change that. Today, I'm giving you 5 real low competition t-shirt design ideas that are fun, fresh, and ready to upload, whether you're on Amazon merch, Etsy, Redbubble, or whatever you sell. And these aren't just guesses. I used Merch Informer to spot trends and paired every idea with ready-to-use AI design prompts so you can hit the ground running. Who am I? I've been doing print on demand for over 8 years, and I made over $400,000 in royalties on Amazon merch alone. And I want you to stop wasting your time and start uploading smarter. Let's get into it. Before we dive into the list, let me quickly show you how I know these are low competition winners. I use what I call a 3-second test. Ask yourself this: can someone instantly tell what the shirt is about and feel something? If their answer is no, keep scrolling. But if it gets a smile or that's clever, you might be onto something. Then I run it through 3 filters. 1, low upload count plus demand. I check Merch Informer to make sure that the niches has sales, but not cloned 5,000 times. 2, design gaps. I look at what is not out there, humor, aesthetics, angle. 3, crossover potential. Can I match this niche with another? That's where the gold is. I use this for every idea I upload and every one I'm about to share with you. First up, this one cracks me up. Resist penguin activism. It's a niche, it's political, and it's just weird enough to work. At the time when I found this with Merch Informer, there were only a few listings up. Okay, now this one is something that's trending online and making a lot of sales. They're definitely getting buys. Add some clever slogans like waddle and resist or march with the penguins. Literally, design idea, a defiant penguin holding a fish like it's a protest sign. The word resist with the penguin as the eye, super bold, super visual. And you're going to see right here, it's a cool design, right? It works. And if we come down and we look at the BSR, you're going to see right here, it has minutes for sale at the beginning of this month of April. Okay, it was trending, making a lot of sales, and it's starting to trend up just a tiny bit, but it's still making consistent sales. You can see as it's dropping down. So, but this is a good idea because you never know. Stuff like this, anything in the political niche, anything that's trending like this, over time, like there's some designs that I've had personally where they make sales, and then the next time they sell again, they start to make even more sales again. Okay, so if we come over here, we see the result of 191 resist penguin activism graphic t-shirt. Okay, and then you're going to see like the other designs in this niche. You can see that there's some really low BSRs, and if you're unaware of what a BSR, it's basically Amazon gives us this sales rank right here. When we see that there is a demand like something like this and it's consistently making sales, the lower, the more sales this makes. So for example, this one is at 11K. It seemed like it started at that, right? So it hit the ground running. It's making like 4, 5, 6 sales a day, right? Now, if we come over here, we look at the Ideogram AI, you're going to see the prompt right here. This is a breakdown of the prompt right there, so you can see that. And then I went ahead and created the magic prompt. So each one, you're going to see the idea behind it. So if you want the prompt, just pause the video and you can see it right there. But you can see it has a penguin holding a fish, right? And then resist. And then we look at the other ones too. Very cool. Okay, so just an idea. I just want to share these prompt ideas with you because I know that a lot of you are using AI and trying to leverage it to give you inspiration. And I'm going to show you every single prompt at the end of each niche that I share with you. Next is going to be Rocking Bear Bass Guitar Player. This is for music fans, animal lovers, and people who like their shirts to feel like inside jokes. Low competition, few people are touching bass guitar specifically, and almost no one is using a bear, right? I think this is really cool when it comes to something like this, but there's different ideas that you can do a lot with this. You can scale this out in so many different ways, like slogans like rock and roar or bass drop bass style. Design it like a vintage band tee, roaring bear, woodcut vibes, bass guitar slogan low. Now, if we come down, we look at the BSR right here, all-time sales. We're going to see that it's made its first sale in September 15th, 2024, and it's consistently making sales over the year. Okay, and this is something that we look for. Now, keep in mind too, like you don't have to worry about any type of trademarks. Obviously, you could check your keywords, stuff like that. But something like this that's simple. A lot of people love creating designs and illustrations and graphics like this because they don't not put no text and they don't have to double check for trademarks, right? So it makes it so much easier. Come over here, we have a result of 292 and rocking bear bass guitar player t-shirt. We touched this one right here. Remember this one right here? I'm not sure if we've been following with the research, but with this chimpanzee playing the guitar, this was a really good idea too. Okay, so it's right there. Over here inside of Ideogram AI, went ahead and put in the prompt. You're gonna see the prompt right here, the breakdown right there. But look at these different graphics it creates. It creates some really cool ones, right? Look at that. That's crazy. Okay. So then, and then some of them too, like this one, they created the magic prompt, and the magic prompt helps you create a different, like the AI helps you create a different prompt idea, but it's still, all these are pretty dang good. This is probably some of the best AI creations created from what I've been sharing so far. Third, a classic, just a girl who loves bunnies. It sells year round, spikes at Easter, and never dies. Check the trends in Merch Informer. It's steady. Add personal touches like bunny names, different colors, soft pastel styles. People love it. Okay. And it's just a really awesome design, cute, friendly. Now, if we come down, we look at the all-time, the BSR, the sales rank right here. We got it made its first sell. Let me see. Check this out. All time. It's made its first sell actually this month, okay, in April, which is a really good sign. But you see, we have two different bunnies, like a grayer color and then like a brownish white color, gray, white color, and then the brownish white color. So we have two bunnies there, and then it's made its first sale, but then it's consistently making sales, which is sold so every time it drops 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and as of like the 16th of me making this video, it's making consistent sales. This is a really good sign, especially with Easter. Leveraging something like this can be an evergreen niche, but right now it's spiking and making a lot of sales, but then throughout the whole year, this one right here, we come back to it, it's probably going to be making consistent sales for the whole year. Now we have a result of 246. Okay, just a girl who loves bunnies, rabbit t-shirt. Now we come over here and look at this, how Ideogram AI created this design. It's crazy, right? It's clean. You look at the prompt right here. You're gonna see the prompt idea right there. So if you want to check that out, go ahead and pause it. But look at each design. They did a really good job. I said that the last one was probably the best one, but this one did a pretty good job. Look at, like, even with the spacing of the design, it crushed it, right? So fourth, do your very best. This one's cute, motivational, perfect for teachers, students, and test season. Now, test season, we know it trends a lot like crazy when it's test season to make a lot of sales. Found it while digging into school themes, low competition, solid search volume, go retro, smiling strawberry, bubble tea, school supplies, checkered red background. It's wholesome. It's giftable. And it's on a white t-shirt, so it's looking good on a lighter colored t-shirt. So as you can see that right there. And then if you come down, let's look at the all-time sales on this bad boy. It's made its first sale last month. Okay, March 11th, but it's consistently going in. Look at that, crushing, right? This is a really good one too, right here. We have a result of 172 right here, and a retro, do your very best, cute strawberry testing t-shirt. Now, if we come over here, look at this. Ideogram created some really cool designs. Look at this. Okay, now here is the prompt, right? This is the original prompt idea I put in. This is the magic prompt that it generated right there. So any of the prompts right there, just go ahead and pause on it and look at them. Let's go ahead and look at each one. It's like crushes it, right? That was the first one, second one, third one, fourth one. They're all clean. All really clean. Last one but not least, ice cream drip baseball. This is just cool. Visually, it slaps, right? Found it while exploring sports crossovers. A melting baseball in candy colors, sprinkles, drips, and like a glossy texture. Works for kids, summer league, or just anyone who loves street style. Okay, and then also too, just think about it with baseball season right now. So it's trending right now with baseball season, and this is definitely making sales. We went over this design, okay? We went over this design like what? We caught it like 6 months ago, I want to say now, and it's selling. So I wanted to share it again because there's different ways, different ideas, and when we look at the search results, you're gonna see how people are leveraging it in different ways and creating, different elements inside the baseball niche to create something that is trending and popular. You're gonna see it past month 100 times, $17.99. Let's go down. You see the all time. Let's look at this all time, right? It's made its first sale at the beginning of this month, but look at that downward trend. It's crushing, right? It's all the way down to 41K BSR right now. If we come over here, we look at the result. We have a result of 617 ice cream drip baseball t-shirt, But look at this. This is what I was talking about. You come down here, look at how they put a cleat in there, okay, with the bat, with the glove, right? And look at 57K BSR, 89K BSR, 11K BSR, 9K BSR, and like the home plate with the baseball bats, a baseball player. There's several different things that you can do in this. Like I would literally try to enter this niche, mix something up, and come up with your own unique idea, because this is money. Look what they did with the glove right here, different colors. Okay, mixing up with different colors. Obviously, that's working really good. Baseball, softball, don't forget softball too as well. So many different things. So let's come over here and look at the prompt that were generated. You're seeing it right here on the right-hand side, also up here too as well. You can see the prompt right here. Put that in right there, and you can, and I'll show all the information down below, all the prompt ideas and stuff like that, so you can see that, get a concept and get an idea of how the prompts work right here. But look at this one. That one's pretty clean. This one's pretty clean. This one's pretty clean. See how they have the black shirt background? This one's pretty clean. Yeah, really cool. Now, if you're thinking, this is great, but I don't have time to do all this research myself, that's literally why I created the Top Research Design Vault. $10 a month weekly spreadsheet with fresh design ideas, keywords, trends, and prompt ideas, tips to stand out. Whether you're just starting or uploading every day, this is your shortcut. The link is going to be down below in the description. Go unlock it. Real quick, here's how to make these ideas 100% yours. Add personalization, names, causes, themes. Number 2, stack niches, bunny plus teacher, bear plus dad. That's money. Number 3, use AI smart. Customize styles, fonts, and colors. Number 4, upload across platforms. Same idea, 5x reach. All right, you've got 5 niche ideas, each backed by research with design prompts ready to go. You can use these today. Fill your shop with smarter, more sellable designs. If this helped you, hit that like button and subscribe to my channel and drop a comment. Which idea are you going to run with first? And check out the vault. If you want some ideas like every single week, links down below. I'll see you in the next one, where I show you how to build your own system for finding profitable niches on autopilot. And if you want more low competition niches, watch this video right here. Thank you very much for watching. Peace out.